Hi, this is Ken from Ken's Travel Adventures. This is the unboxing for my new Polare passport wallet. The company was founded in Tuscany, Italy in 1920 and has a branch in California, USA. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy box. That's to protect the wallet itself, and you see it shows a warranty card with more information on the back. It's protected by a nice little piece of paper around it. And then you have your basic wallet. All right, I opted for the brown leather, but it does also come in black. You see there's solid metal zippers, which is good to secure your important documents and cards and cash that is inside. The wallet itself is 5 inches by 8 inches long, which is a little bit big, but it is for passport and multiple passports or other items that you want to keep inside. So it will hold up to 4 passports, 6 credit cards, an ID holder, along with 2 pockets for cash, itinerary, tickets, or whatever you'd like. And as you can see here, the 4 pockets for the passports, card pockets right here, you have an ID slot, pen slot, then under each one of these you have room for the money that you want to carry, the itinerary or whatever, and also on the back for your boarding pass you have a little slot here to make it real convenient for you there. All right, it also comes with RFID protection, so it will keep you safe from unwanted digital scans at locations like the airport and the hotel. Okay, I do a lot of traveling in and out of the United States, and I really like the idea of keeping all my important documents in one safe place. It's easy to access when I need. As you can see here, I got 2 passports, I got cards up on the top, a notepad, an ID, money, and a pen. It all fits with no problem, zips up without a problem, and there it is right there. The company also manufactures just about any type of leather bag you could think of, such as briefcases, backpacks, duffel bags, along with their fine selection of wallets. This is a great company that gives 100% satisfaction, money back guaranteed on all its products. Okay, if you feel you got something out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our site. Thank you.